Hey everybody, hey, good morning today, and welcome to Money Rain. We did a trade into the jobless claims series of reports that came out this morning at 8:30, just a few minutes ago. Let's see if we can pull that up. What have we got out here? No, that ain't it. There we go. So we did have a whole bunch. We had housing starts, jobless claims, Philadelphia, the manufacturing index, and PPI final. So that all hit today. I was holding two positions. Sadly, I got out of silver early, so I was in a silver short here. So here's our reversal triangle right here. Structure broke down below that strong low. We got in short. I got in with a tick advantage on the entry, and right at about 5 seconds before the report came out, I said, you know what? I'm sitting up 250 bucks in silver, so I decided to pull the plug on it, and it actually went right to target like immediately. So we gave up a little bit of cash there, so it would have been an additional 350 had I held on to it. But it was perfect trade. Really, silver just nailed it today. So silver on Thursdays is doing really well. 73% win rate. We've got 2850 in net wins. Let me get that out of the way. And that's the P&L for Thursday, so definitely a good mover. Let's see what the time of day analysis looks like for silver. Oh, well, glad I got you here. So I've also added a feature to give a black dot. You see the black dot, and that just fills in where we're at in the time frame here. So right now we're at the slice that's before 8:45 and after 8:30. Yeah, so we go from 8:30 here to 8:45. So that's the time slice we're in. Just a quick indicator to show us what our P&L is for that particular moment of the day. So this will move across as time elapses and carries forward. Uh, I'm happy with what we got, 260 today. You know, I made a mistake earlier on today in crude. So crude, we actually got a nice trade as well. We bought this structure breakout here, which formed at 7:40 in the morning. We went long right here. You see the blue entry arrow, and the almost hit target. Target was up around the 79.20 level, so we were close to target. Trailing stop moved up, and we did get tagged out on our trailing stop, but it was for a $110 gain, so that was pretty nice. Crude, I don't know why I traded crude, because actually today is not a high probability day. Here's Thursday, 2,000 bucks taken in, but take a look at this overall P&L. So this is a Thursday P&L. We've been in the midst of a drawdown here, which is kind of what you want to avoid. But I did get a profitable trade today. Things were setting up pretty good, I thought. What I did have a loser on, and let's zoom in here. There was a setup short right here. I started trading right at this time in the morning, about 7:30. So I took it short. I didn't like how it just did not push below that low. And in my infinite wisdom, I got out right at the high of the retracement. So I went short here. I got out right at the high tick. You can see. I said, nah, that's too high for me. I think I was down 100 bucks. It's a $100 move against me. I got out, and immediately it goes down. Uh, and trailing stop kicked in, and we were actually had you held on to this trade. I think it's just a $10 winner, but I turned a $10 winner into a $100 loss. So that was something. Should have just followed the rules. The rules had the stop loss way up here, right? Actually, stop loss for this trade, yeah, would have been way up here at the 78.90 level. And I should have held on for that. I think it was risking overall risk was only like two something here. 220 is all my risk was. I gave up after 100 bucks move, and crude moved in and actually would have done well. Here we're short right now. I wouldn't take it yet. the news is a little dicey. But you know what? We're moving south. Target is down to right around the 77.80 level on crude. Maybe we'll hit that going short. It is a pretty good structure breakdown. This is where the news came out. Saw a lot of chop here. There was a good setup. You know, the Russell on Thursdays this time of day has been doing well. We're up $1,840 over the last 5 days. Not such a bad P&L. A little bit of drawdown right now. And the black dot here is showing us we're coming into an area that's not too bad for going long or short. Short right now is a little dicey. Long entry is way up here, so we're probably not going to hit that. There might be, if we get a structure, well, we will get a structure break here. Could be considered a long possibility right at this, if it sets up. You could be going long at right around the 1949 level on the Russell. So, no, not too shabby. Oh, there's a buy setup in silver I just got notified on. So this might be a good trade. In a lot of sideways movement, our target would be way up here. So our risk would be, if we go long right at this level, our risk is down here by this low side of this triangle. We're risking 375, and we'd be targeting a gain of 550. Let's see what our Thursday P&L looks like. Yeah, you know, we got green bars on the histo for Thursday. And prices running away from that. We'll see. If we get a break above that, I might trade a retracement into that level. Russell, that buy setup just formed, as I mentioned, so we're coming into a buy here. All right, Russell from here to here. We're only risking $200 on that move, and the target is up here. And target would be the $405. It could be reached. Russell again has been doing pretty good on Thursdays. Overall P&L is upward. A good move. A little bit of drawdown. What has our drawdown been? So we did have an $820 drawdown, probably the current one, and that is the 45% of total P&L. It's a little heavy. But if we're only risking $200, right? Crude has got a buy setup. Crude would have been a good short. Now, if we were in crude on this short signal, we'd be at up about 170. Again, the stop for crude would have been up here at the time of the entry, and now we're trailing it, so we've locked in. Silver's now got a sell, so it's reversing. So we're already locked in on $80 on crude short. Let's see here. We're actually filled on a short on silver. We're retracing into that level. I'm going to go ahead and do a sell at the ask. We'll sell one silver. We're filled. All right, so let's do a stop loss here. And our target is down in this area. Let's see if we get some follow through on silver. If we can break below this low after the news event, could be a good move down. Buy setup triangle just came in. They'd be considering going long at here. So we're just in the middle of some kind of choppy area. See a good move down here in silver. A good structure is kind of yielding to the downside, right? We've had some rising structure here, but this latest push is now, this is a strong high. And because we made a new low in silver here. There's that. So Russell is falling out of bed. Crude is hanging in there. Silver is a little bit of doing a languishing here in silver. The indexes are dropping. Dropping. Let's see if silver follows suit. I'd like to see a nice drop. Wouldn't bother me at all if we go down to the 2134 level. So this is it. This is where we're at. Still 8:47 in the morning. We've still got time before the 9:30. I like that. Silver's looking better now. Let's keep an eye on our trailing stop. We should be getting that kicking in any minute. We'll be in at one tick to the positive. And once this bar closes, there's a 100 volume bar in silver. Let's see where we at. There we go. Trailing stop has locked us in at one tick to the good. Oh, looks like we're going to get tapped out maybe. Silver can do that. Can come back at you. All right. And let's see. Silver likes to do some, back and forth. Nice hitch right up into the former support. We hitched right into this level. And now we're retreating. That's good. My target today, I'd like to get out at 500 in profit. Let's see if we can. Oh, that's beauty. That's pretty. Maybe I'll hold on. That looks encouraging. We're up 510 at this point. Again, if anybody has questions, feel free to email me. It's a pretty simple system. We're looking at these structure breakdowns now. This isn't rocket science. This isn't like we're inventing a new method of trading. Structure breaks have been around for eons. When we look at where buying has occurred and where selling occurs, and when things fail at those levels, those are critical levels. And simple system, very simple, no lagging indicators. It's all price-based. StructureBoss is not a mathematical formula. We do use statistics here to see where our edge is on certain times of the day, certain days of the week, certain instruments, and that's what we're trading. Yeah, silver is just kind of doing its hitching pattern here. Let's hope we continue down. We need some sellers. Where are the sellers in the silver market? They were there a minute ago. Yeah. Well, we took some slippage on that one too, so. We're out at break even. So that was it. Should have gotten out at the 510 level. We were up 510 probably. Anyway, let's see. All right, so we're hitting a long signal in crude. Why don't we take that guy long? Buy limit 1. I'm going to buy on a retrace down there. I'm not going to chase it. Silver is going up. Could be a buy signal. I don't know. I like the let's corn. Russell is fighting for its life here. Let's see if we can get filled on crude. Again, I didn't want to chase that market. See if we can retrace down to it. Crude has been long now. While we're waiting for that, let's see what crude's picture looks like. Our time slice P&L. Yeah, crude has done well this time of the day, so we're coming into a good time for crude trading. That short that we were on did get trailing stop hit. You can see the green line here. Green line means it's a profitable trade. And crude might be getting away from this. I don't know. If it comes back down to this former resistance area, that would be a great trade. That's one of the beautiful things about trading structure is you kind of know where an entry level would be. All right, silver has got a sell set up here. It's just a little too much whipsaw in silver today. We were filled with a little slippage, one tick slippage on that, so we didn't make 25. We lost a $5 commission, $4 commission. Let's take a look at a Russell. It's still kind of going sideways here. There you go, a little crude weakness. Let's see if we can get filled on it. Stop loss is down below the low of our structured triangle. There's another buy set up in crude. That's not a buy setup, that's a short setup. So here's another reversal triangle, right? If we were to go down to that level, looking at shorting it. See a good push up in crude. Let's see if we can just get filled on it and go along with their ride upward. Excuse me. Corn isn't open yet. Silver's in the middle of nowhere. Crude is just kind of hanging in there, a little going toward our fill. Oh, there's my dog, my lovely dog. He's a good guy. I'll give this until 9 o'clock, and then I think I'll wrap it up. So we got 8:55 right now. Crude is coming toward our buy limit. Let's see if we can get in. Trailing stop is already moved into P&L plus, break even plus 1. Had we been filled on a market order, we would have been up there and maybe gotten break even. I'm gonna see, maybe we can still get in on this trade. Now that the news is over, things have, we're already about a half hour past the news event. Don't see much happening in the Russell. Again, if you guys have any questions, drop me a line. email me, put a message in our text here, and would really appreciate, of course, to like this video, subscribe to my channel, Money Rain. We're doing videos on two systems, BOSA, which is the only NinjaTrader 8 spread trading system. So if you want to trade spreads, you want to trade two contracts together and benefit from price movements in both. Now we're long in crude. So we do BOSA, but we're also introducing here our new system, StructureBoss, which is looking at structure breakouts and trades into and out of structure reversals. And we're using a statistical package I call Rapid Eval, which puts all of our necessary stats right here on the chart. You can easily make updates to that. You can change any one of the parameters here. You can change your risk levels, your target multiples. Crude really moved south today, didn't it? Let's see if we can get a move back up. So actually, kind of flying off the seat of our pants here because crude's stop loss has already been triggered, and this trade has closed out as a +1, break even +1. So we're kind of off the charts here a little bit, off the plan. Let's see if we get a measured move up here. If we can get, this move was from here to here of 470. We can get another 470 up here, right? Let's move our target to the high of this 810 time frame. Once I get up to, there we go. Once I get up to here, I'm going to be moving my stop to break even +1. Let's get that out of the way. So that's what we're shooting for, right around the 470 level. That's looking good. Let's hold on here. We're up $100 right now. I like that. We can break above that resistance. Could be an easy reach to that measured move target. You all familiar with measured move ideas? So you're looking at this zigzag pattern, right? A move up, short move back. Nice little retrace, probably a 30% retrace. And nice fib level, I assume. Let's see. Might as well just check that out, right? Retracement. Had a nice 38% retracement on that guy. And now we're moving up. So the distance of that move is what we're expecting to come through from the bottom of the retracement up to here. So that's our measured move idea. I'm going to go ahead and move our stop loss up here 2 ticks in profit. Let's see if we can get a move, a push upward. I'll get this out of our way. Crude is going to be giving us a little start here. While that is bopping away, let's see what silver has just gone sideways on us. Russell is kind of having its day. Having trouble breaking through the high of that move there. I'm $20 in profit. Let's see if we can make it through. Just got a sell set up in silver on StructureBoss. Notice. I'm on crude. Crude oil. Sell set up Russell. The Russell's going south. Let me move it another tick up in profit. So we're 3 ticks into the green on that. Do we have the strength? Can we move crude higher? Nobody likes higher crude prices. Ooh, hey, look at that. All right. So I'm at 410 profit for the day. After being down $100 initially, it's good to see crude is coming to life like that. Let's see if we can get our full measured move. Entry short coming up on Russell Silver. Looks like we're hitting the upside. Crude is nice, 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 nice. Look at that. That's a pretty day. You can do it, Crude. You can do it. I'm at 550. It is a jumpy market. Crude can be a jumper. It can be a jumper. So let's say it came back down to retest this support or resistance that's become now support. I like that idea. See if we can hit our target. I'm up 510 for the day. You know, with commissions, let's go for this target. That'll cover our commissions for the day. I think I traded about 5 or 6 contracts today. So we're talking, you know, $30 or $40 in commissions. Crude could do it. So we do have a structure reversal triangle. Sell would be down here. I'm gonna go ahead and I don't want to test that low again. Let's see if we can get pushed up. Crude is playing games with us. Let's say it's resting, right? And see if we can hit our measured move target again. So guys, this is structure trading. Structure is an ancient concept. When people were selling at this level, they pushed it down, but it was a weak push. It wasn't able to make a new low. They weren't able to beat the guys down here, right? So this is an important level. When we broke through there, look at that push upward. So this weak high fell apart when we pushed upward, and that's what we take advantage of. We look for that kind of move. Same here, you know. This was a strong high because it made a new low, and when that strong high failed, it's been a good break. So that's structure trading. Let's see if we get our target here. Go a couple more ticks, 4 ticks away, 5 ticks, and then we can close out our trading for the day. Structure. No lagging indicators, all price based, and I think we might. Hey, we got our target, 630 for the day. You know, with 50 or 60 in commissions. Let's say we're up about $600, I'd say. I didn't keep track of where I started, but here we go. Beautiful day, guys. So this is a StructureBoss. Hey, the link for StructureBoss is on this video, right? And I'll put it in the description, but get a hold of it. Get a hold of this copy. It can change your trading. Again, we're looking at statistical analysis. When is the right time to trade in which market, what time of the day, and what days. We can break down, in this case, we broke down just our Thursday analysis. So very quickly, I turned off all of the other trading that was happening on, you know, Sunday through Saturday, and looking at just trading one contract here. Excuse me. Trailing stop at 2.5 ATRs, and then we're looking at a target of 1.6 to 1 reward to risk. Right, it's a reversing signal, and here's our overall P&L. We've had. Once I refresh this chart, it'll show that P&L from that trade. But so, you know, not too bad, not too bad. I don't like this drawdown. We had a good 40% drawdown from the equity high, but today worked out. Let's take a look at this time slice. Our black dot shows this is a profitable time of the day to be trading StructureBoss. You see that? Green means that we made 5 ticks per trade, 49 ticks overall. We are in a good time to trade crude for StructureBoss reversal signals. This kind of information can change your trading. So hey, pick up a copy. We've got special launch pricing on our site, and happy to work with you directly. We'll get you set up. We'll do the install and get your license set up. We can get you some templates, give you a start on how to do your own analysis, and then you can join us every day and we'll go through the markets. All right, guys, thanks so much. God bless you today. Happy to have you here. I'm thrilled to be able to walk through this with you and show you what I've learned, and what my programming skills have brought forth. I'm going to go walk my dog right now. You guys have a great day, and look forward to hearing from you.